so I'm just putting my tint on the window. Just because it's like... So as you've seen in my other home, I did use these cling on cling on tint, and it is cling on, so it's thicker than a regular tint. It doesn't stick or leave film on your window when you are taking it out. It's easily to come out, so you just kind of pull it, you see? That's it. So that's what I've been using for, like, just to have some privacy but have light in as well. And then you just kind of put all the bubbles out. Easy stuff. Yeah, and it's looking cute, look. And if you look from the outside and then versus the inside, that one has like this one, you see? I think they're just still not clean, so I'm gonna look at that. Get that dirt. So that's pretty much how it's supposed to be when you just move in, not dirty still. That was kind of, yeah, at least clean that shit. So this is my first meal I am cooking. I'm cooking some rice with some hamburger and corn with cream of mushroom. I was like starving. Hopefully I can eat this for tomorrow lunch as well. Today, in a couple of days. This is a lot for this. And I took some out for Nevaeh. This is organic hamburger. So I took some out for her. There you go. So I can mix that in with her kibble. And it still has a lot, I feel, yeah? Okay. So that's my first meal here. So I'm just gonna have my lunch and then watch some K-dramas and just chill out for a bit.